So let me introduce you to the Raptor powered by Circooter. And this thing is a beast. First off, check out the design of this thing. The red coat on this frame looks super sleek and it's eye-catching. The deck is also very sturdy, easy to put your feet on, and I love the placement of this kickstand being on the back of the wheels, which in my opinion, it actually holds it up a lot better than most. There's a mud guard on the back, keeping you from flinging dirt up everywhere when you take this thing off-road. There's also 2 plugs on here for dual fast charging. Yeah, you can charge this whole thing up in like 3 to 4 hours. The cables are also hidden well in this center shaft that goes up to your handlebars. And these handlebars are really nice and comfortable to grip. The throttle also feels really nice and comfortable, and this placement of it's really nice, especially for long rides. You have both handbrakes on the top, which control the dual disc and electronic ABS brakes. So these brakes are regenerative, and they're also very fast when you slam on them. There's also a little controller box here where you can turn on the lights. You have an electronic horn. And this has an indicator switch on the bottom, which out of every scooter I reviewed on this channel, the indicator buttons are always in weird spots. This is the best one I've ever seen. It's really easy for your thumb to kind of hit it and go from one side to the next, turning it on. And this screen is real nice too. I love how it looks when you power it on, and then you get info on your screen for like speed, distance, battery power, which mode you're in, and there's 3 of them. You have Eco, Standard, and Turbo. But also if you're going at a very slow pace, it puts it in walking mode for you, kind of sets it at that pace for you. The lights are real bright and perfect for night rides. And when you hit the brakes, the back red light will brighten up. The Raptor has a real unique fold mechanism. It's this little cool dial on the front that you kind of unscrew it and it just folds down. And to put it back together, you just lift it up and you screw it back in. This whole thing weighs around 58 pounds, so it's not super light, but that's also what makes it so sturdy and strong, giving a max weight load of 440 pounds. Now, when you get on this thing and ride it, you'll quickly see how powerful this thing is. It has an 800-watt brushless motor, which will take you to speeds up to 28 miles per hour. And that regenerative battery will take you a distance of 25 miles. This will also take you up hills at 30% grade. And with the 10-inch off-road solid tires, it will carry you off paths on grass, dirt roads, and even those crazy Michigan roads. Yeah, they're really bad here. So with this amazing suspension, you barely even feel those bumps. It's like riding on a cloud, since it's made from ultra high strength aluminum alloy and quadruple absorbent systems. Then you can also connect this thing to their app, and you can even control it even more from there. You can actually lock this thing so no one can turn it on without you unlocking it. You can also remotely turn on the lights, change modes, turn on and off cruise control, and 0 start and non-zero start. And what that means is, you know, if you don't want to have to pedal it to start it, you can just press the throttle and away it goes.